A very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we see the last tense of the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so it is a present perfect continuous tense. Perfect also and continuous also. Okay, so what is that statement? For the perfect has have and for the continuous before means past present participle ing form of the verb. But it is a new tense, that's why be है ना. वो परफेक्ट में से हैज हैव लेगा, कंटिन्यूअस में से प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल लेगा, लेकिन इट इज अ डिफरेंट, दैट्स व्हाई बीइंग इज देयर. ओके, सो इट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज हैव प्लस बीइंग प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. रिमेंबर द बीइंग, बी डबल ई एन. So the baby has been sleeping. Okay, has been sleeping for 1 hour. और जो भी ये टेंस है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, we need this type of words. Okay, which indicates the time period. For 1 hour, sing morning, cricket for 2 hours. We need. It has been raining since morning. They have been playing cricket for 2 hours. So now interrogative sentence, just put the helping verb in front of the subject. Okay. So here, like, have you been waiting for me for a long time? Have we been working since morning? And has he been reading for over 2 hours? Now subject plus negative subject plus has a plus not plus being plus present participle. It has not been raining for 2 hours for since morning. We have not been working since evening, and she has not been playing cricket for over 2 hours. Okay. Now interrogative negative, just put the not. So has it not been raining since morning? Or have we not been working since morning? And has he not been playing for over 2 hours? Now the uses of present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect and continuous tense is used in the following ways. The first one is to link the past with present. To link the past with the present. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began at some time in the past. Okay, past में action शुरू हो गई थी and is continuing up to the present time, और वो अभी continue. There is a little difference between a present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present perfect tense के अंदर action is already done, वो चल नहीं रही. I have completed my lunch. तो मैंने लंच ले लिया है, पास्ट में कंप्लीटेड है, रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड है. लेकिन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट भी है और कंटिन्यू, सो इट विल बी डन इन आवर फ्यूचर, इट विल बी गोइंग ऑन इन फ्यूचर. ओके, सो ही हैज बीन स्लीपिंग फॉर 5 hours मींस ही इज स्टिल स्लीपिंग, अभी भी वो सो रहा है. इट हैज बीन रेनिंग सिंस 8 AM, 8 बजे से बारिश हो रही है, अभी भी हो रही है और आगे भी होगी. It means, okay. Now the use of the present perfect continuous tense has some similarity with the one of the present perfect tense. The two sentences below, one in the present perfect and the other in the present perfect continuous tense, means the same thing. Like she has lived here for 10 years. तो इसका दो मतलब हो सकता है. And is still living, अभी भी वो रह रही है, और just stop living, और उसने रहना बंद कर दिया है. लेकिन यहाँ पे she has been living for 10 years, it means must be still living in a future. अभी भी वो रही है और आगे भी रहेगी. पर इसका दो मतलब, ना तो उसने रहना छोड़ दिया है और वो चाहे तो रह सकती है इसके जैसा. ओके, so similarities with the two tense. Now the present continuous tense is not used with an adverb indicating past time. कभी भी present continuous tense never used like yesterday I am going to Mumbai, or like yesterday. Okay, ऐसे एडवर्ब जो है वो हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के अंदर लास्ट मंथ ऐसा हम कभी भी नहीं यूज कर सकते. ओके, एंड present continuous only says that the action is continuing in the present time. The boys are playing cricket. अब वो कब से खेल रहे थे, क्यों खेल रहे थे, उसके बारे में प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कभी भी नहीं कहता है. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस प्रेजेंट में जो वर्ड बन रही है वही चीज हमें बताता है. ओके, वो ये नहीं कहता कि सुबह 8 बजे से वो लोग खेल रहे थे. नहीं, द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. अब और वो कब तक खेलेंगे वो भी नहीं बताता है. Present continuous tense is just say that the action is currently running. Okay, so the present continuous only says that the action is continuing in the present, but says nothing about the past. वो past में कभी भी नहीं बोलता. While the present perfect continuous tense says that the action is still continuing in the present, though it began sometimes in the past. Past में शुरू हो गई थी. Okay, and present it is continuing. Therefore, it will be incorrect to say like I am working since yesterday. मैं yesterday से काम कर रहा हूँ. That is incorrect. We never use yesterday in a present continuous tense. By putting yesterday, we have indicated that the action began some time in the past. So I have been working since yesterday. That is the correct one. Okay. Now the second use of present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense is repeated action. So हमने present continuous tense में भी देखा कि she is arguing a lot every day, है ना. तो arguing ही करती रहती है. तो repeated action के लिए ये भी tense यूज होता है. Okay, present perfect continuous tense expresses the action which is apparently uninterrupted or repeated often. This tense is not used when we mention the number of times thing has been done. Like हम ये नहीं कह सकते प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के लिए वो 2 बार उसने मुझे पूछा लेकिन मैंने हेल्प नहीं किया. He asked me twice लेकिन I did not agree with him. Whatever. So हम 2 times, 3 times, 4 times so प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते. Why? Because अगर हम ऐसा लिखेंगे तो एक्शन कंप्लीटेड हो गई होगी. लेकिन हमें क्या बताना है कि एक्शन अभी भी He asked me twice, तो अभी भी वो मतलब कि 2 बार उसने मुझे पूछ लिया. लेकिन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस ये बताता है कि अभी भी वो पूछेगा. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई we never use that type of words in a present perfect continuous tense. So the present perfect continuous tense an action which is partly or uninterrupted or repeated often. This tense is not used when we mention the number of times a thing has been done. I have been asking him to help me. He refused to help. Okay, that is correct. But in this example, have been asking suggests that the speaker has been asking for help without any interruption. अभी आगे भी वो पूछेगा help के लिए. लेकिन if the number of times has been asking for help is to be mentioned, we use the present perfect tense. I have asked him 5 times. मैंने 5 बार उससे पूछा मदद के लिए to help me. He did not help. Okay, so it is present perfect tense and it is present perfect continuous tense. Now the drawing conclusions. ड्राइंग कंक्लूजन ऐसा बात है कि कोई ड्राइंग के लेके हमें बताना है ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन हमारे पास कोई एविडेंस हो, कोई प्रूफ हो तो उसके आधार पे हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि इसने ये किया क्योंकि वो ये कर रहा था, ये कर रहा है और आगे भी करेगा. तो इट इज कॉल्ड, है ना, हमारे पास कुछ प्रूफ है बताने के लिए, तब हम ऐसा बोलते हैं. द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग कंक्लूजन्स based on some evidence. Evidence means proof. His clothes are wet. His clothes are wet. उसके कपड़े भीगे नहीं. Because he has been washing his car. Has been washing his car for over an hour. 1 घंटे से, है ना, काम पहले शुरू कर दिया था. 1 घंटे से वो अपनी कार वॉशिंग कर रहा है और आगे भी करेगा. So it is drawing conclusion, so that is why the present perfect continuous. Seema's eyes are red. Seema's eyes की red है. It is obvious she has been beaten. Okay, वो रो रही है इसलिए उसकी आंखें लाल. Okay. Now the fourth use of present perfect continuous tense is to express an action in a sentence which is begins with for a long word since when. हम ये words use करते हैं. Since when have you been waiting for him? है ना? कब से तुम ये इंतजार कर रही हो उसका? So कब से तुम इंतजार कर रही हो उसका मीन्स कभी भी वो इंतजार कर रहा है. So for how long she has been suffering from fever? कब से उसको बुखार है? जब हम ये पूछ रहे थे उसको तब भी उसको बुखार है ना, फीवर है. So आगे भी फीवर होगा, अभी ठीक नहीं हुआ. So for that we use a present perfect continuous tense. Now filling the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense, very easy. Has plus been plus been. She has been. Okay, she has been being unconscious since 4 o'clock. Malaria dash raged in the city for 2 weeks. So malaria has been raging in the city. So okay, the next exercise is also easy, but the next exercise is little bit tricky also. Like filling the blank with the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. Both tense mix. अगर एक में एक्शन कंप्लीटेड हो गई है तो हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करेंगे. अगर वो एक्शन कंटिन्यू है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Like she dash her work and she is going to home now. तो एक्शन completed है. She has finished. She has finished her work and she is going to home now. Okay. Now I dashed her all books. Please take them. So I have brought. हाँ तभी ये सारी बुक में ले आया, आप ले जाओ, ले लो. ओके. सो आपको देखना है और ये ब्लैंक्स करनी है. We have completed this tense today. I hope you understood it. If no, then read and read again. Okay? आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So complete this exercise today. It is your homework. Thank you very much and have a great day.